Now comes the fun part. Let's see our application running in action. Instead of trying to run this from the editor, I'm going to utilize two terminal windows. The proxy server in the first terminal will handle our secure credentials to securely fetch the auth token from Beefree. The development server in the second terminal will build and serve our actual front-end application. So in the first terminal, we'll run node proxy server.js. Once we see that is listening, we'll go to our second terminal, and for our React application, we'll run npm run dev. We see our application is being served to localhost 5173. Let's navigate there to see our application running. Going to localhost 5173. We'll give it just a second. And there we see the Page Builder application up and running inside our React application. You'll notice that the interface is tailored for web pages with slightly different content blocks and settings than the email builder. The commands to run the application for Angular and Vue are both the same. So we'll use the same configuration of two terminal windows. And in the first, we'll run our proxy server. And in the second, we'll simply run ng-serve to run the development application itself. Again, that works for both Angular as well as Vue applications. We see our app is being served at localhost 4200, so let's go there in our browser. And we see the Page Builder application up and running once again. So let's recall our steps. We installed the SDK, we secured authentication with a server-side proxy server, then we embedded the SDK in React, Angular, and Vue applications, and that allowed us to run our application locally. That's it. We hope you found this series helpful. Definitely, if you have any questions, ask us in the comments below, and we'll include the documentation as well to help you get started. Happy building.